Welcome to my new blog post 6 for the Power BI series. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the Power BI mobile apps. So let's start. So when we talk about the Power BI mobile apps, we should know that this is technology advanced society, and it has become necessary to be able to constantly gather and analyze data in order to maintain a competitive advantage. And through Microsoft Power BI mobile apps, you can actually consume your data at any time through your mobile devices or tablet, which actually enables you to have quick and easy access to your data whenever it is actually necessary. So through mobile Power BI mobile apps, your basically these are the applications for your mobile and tablet devices that enable you to quickly view your Power BI reports, dashboards, and they actually allow you to connect to your data, make insights, collaborate on the go, and get notified whenever your data basically changes. So Power BI mobile apps basically allows you to consume your data. However, you cannot create or edit reports. This is the point that you need to remember. And these apps basically work very similarly to Power BI service. You can actually quickly navigate from different workspaces, reports, dashboards by using tabs. So you can interact with your Power BI reports by clicking on different visuals or using slicers to filter out the data. So let's move towards like what kind of benefits that we actually get from Power BI mobile apps. So first one is that you can actually connect to your data. So you can actually monitor your business right from your phone, access on-premises data stored in SQL Server, uh, or data in the cloud, keep on top of the KPI and reports. Power BI mobile apps basically give you a 360-degree view for your data on the go and keep your company data secure with the mobile device and application management capabilities with Microsoft Intune. Next one is you can actually visualize, explore, and speed insights, which means like you can actually author reports for mobile users with Power BI desktop and view live dashboards and reports on the mobile devices with fast and fluid visuals that actually accelerate your time to insight. You can use natural language query to ask questions of your data and geographic location to filter your data according to where you are. Next one is share and collaborate, and you can do it on one go, and you can actually easily annotate reports with your touch-enabled screen to draw your team focus to a new insight. You can share live reports and dashboards directly from the app to keep your team on the same page. So uh, again, there's another benefit, which is actually you stay in the know, which means like you can actually get push notifications for personal data alerts to your device and use 3D touch on iOS to quickly access shortcuts directly from your home screen. And you can see your data updates in real time on phones, tablets, and Apple Watch. Last one is like it's very flexible and secure, and mobile access is very flexible and secure. And author for mobile users with Power BI desktop and Power BI service securely access Power BI reports and dashboards, SQL Server reporting services, and your on-premises Power BI report server content. And this is all happening in only one app. And then you can actually keep your company's data secure with Microsoft Intune mobile device and application management capabilities.